In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a TikTok video in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the embed code from TikTok and place it neatly inside a product page, a regular page, or the blog post in your Shopify store. First, head to TikTok's website in a desktop browser and find the exact video you want to feature. Make sure it's a public video and that the creator allows embedding. Otherwise, the option won't be available. When you're on the video page, look for the Share button, the one that looks like an arrow. Click it, then choose Embed. TikTok will show you a small preview along with an HTML snippet. Click Copy Code. This copies the embed code, usually an iframe, to your clipboard. Keep that window open, or if you prefer, paste the code into a temporary note so you don't lose it while you move over to Shopify. Now switch to your Shopify admin dashboard. Decide where you want the video to live. You can add it to a product description, a standalone page, or a blog post. Go to Products, Pages, or Blog Posts. Then open the exact item where you want the video to appear. Inside the rich text editor, look for the option to switch to HTML view. This is typically a Show HTML icon represented by angle brackets. Click that to reveal the HTML version of your content. Place your cursor at the spot where you want the video to show up, maybe after a paragraph or between sections for a smooth reading experience. And paste the TikTok embed code. If you want a little breathing room around the video, add a blank line before and after the code. The video's size and alignment are usually handled by your theme, so you shouldn't need to adjust anything right now. When you're happy with the placement, click Save. Next, click Preview to open a live preview of the page or product. Give the video a second to load and make sure it appears, plays correctly, and doesn't crowd your text. If you don't see the video, double-check that you pasted the code while in HTML mode, and that the entire snippet made it into the editor without changes. That's it. You found the video on TikTok, copied the embed code, pasted it into the HTML view of your Shopify content, saved your changes, and previewed the result. Follow these steps anytime you want to add